Movember greetings to everybody. Welcome to the most Movember Honda channel on YouTube today. So, been quiet, been busy, getting to the end of the TAFE, but I just wanted to switch out the BCs for some Koni Reds that I got. So, here we go. Enjoy.
That's what you get for having jacks in your hatchback. Good game, Lloyd, your plastic's broken. That's how you take the top hat off. 14 and an Allen key.
Alright, so I fought the rears first because that was the thing that was annoying me and challenging me. Got it in, now time to do the front. Welcome to the front, everyone. So, these are a 14 for BCs. You've got a 12 and you've got a 17 to get your struts out. Okay, so got a small crack in the subframe. Not too worried about it. I'm gonna have to reinforce the subframe to go all drive anyway. But yeah, gonna get on with the Koni install. Just a bit floppy, mate. Just a wee bit floppy. So we got a gearbox fucking leak. Great work. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, yeah, I think that's the crack. Yeah. Okay, so just doing a bit of a visual inspection and found this crack of joy. But thankfully, you know, the gearbox has been rebuilt and it's got 4,500 Ks on it. Why is my gearbox leaking? So, we're in a bit of a winner. Subframe's got a slight crack in it. That's okay. It's not going to stop me from my new plans. This, on the other hand, I am really not happy about. Much better.
Yep, that's the end of the episode. Keep challenging yourself. Keep chasing excellence. Be good to yourself and each other.